working in the hospital and working in the lab at the same time. I really loved working in the lab, and then I changed to biomedical engineering as soon as I learned what it was. I am Dr. Olivia Burnsid, an assistant teaching professor in biomedical engineering in the School of Biological and Health Systems Engineering. I am from South Georgia, middle of nowhere. It's a town called Statesboro, and it's about 4 hours from Atlanta. I love traveling, and whenever I travel, I'm really into scuba diving and also hot yoga. I'm a world-ranked West Coast swing dancer, so I dance, teach, and judge West Coast swing. It's a partner dance that can be danced to any kind of music that's 4/4 timing. I did my undergrad and my PhD at Georgia Tech. My background is cartilage tissue engineering. That's what most of my PhD research was in. I studied how we can use stem cells to modulate inflammation for osteoarthritis. But in general, I'm interested in stem cell research, tissue engineering, immunomodulation. I'm really excited in kind of the directions that we're taking with stem cell research, cellular therapies, and tissue engineering. I think there's so many cool things on the horizon. A lot of the stuff that's coming out with gene editing and CRISPR is super exciting, and how we'll apply those things. They've already made some really great advances with tissue engineering and actual application, and definitely with stem cell research in some areas where we haven't been able to find cures in other ways, but we've started to make some really great leaps with using stem cells. I teach freshmen, sophomores, and juniors, and a lot of my classes, asking questions is really important. Don't be shy about asking questions, whether it's in an undergrad class or whenever you're actually in industry. I think anything that's unclear, it's best to get some advice and information early on. What's also really important is not waiting until you have like a final perfect finished product. In engineering, we really focus on fail quickly to learn quickly, so that you can kind of fail forward. I thought that I would just be teaching for a year as a lecturer, and then I ended up loving it so much that I stayed on as a lecturer and never went back to full-time research.